wanna go. Super fast, super fly, can't bring my high. Look at my flow, I reside.
What is up, cousins? It's Jay back at it again with another vloggity. You know what time it is. Cousins, I know y'all are so sick of my shit. I gotta change my banner from weekly vlogs to quarterly vlogs, I swear, because I get so caught up in just life and business and stuff, you know, the things that I'm blessed to be able to do now for a living. Assholes, man, I'm tired of people not using a damn signal to merge in front of me, bro. I dealt with it in Arizona, and now I'm back dealing with it in California. That's right, we back in Cali. We back home, baby. We back home. I'm so excited to be back in Cali. Lily and I actually just got a new house. Yes, we got a new house. Very blessed to even be able to say that, especially in these times. We love our home, and I'm gonna leave it at that. We're gonna save that for another vlog. I am currently on my way to a private exotic car meet. That's right, a private exotic car meet. But you see me, I'm in Frank right now, the Audi S4. Shouts out to my boy Sean. He's a dope real estate agent, and he throws these events, and he invited me. You know, I'm not a supercar owner yet. It's all about manifestation. Gotta put that out there. I'm not a supercar owner yet, but he knows that I am a car enthusiast, and he rocks with me. He rocks with the campaign, and he invited me to come out to his private car event, so I'm excited. I got my very close friend, one of my close friends, it's like a sister to me, Yaz, that is coming as well with me. She's gonna meet me there, and we're just gonna enjoy the sights of the supercars and to just be in that presence. Like, you have to be in the presence of the things that you want to manifest, you know, because there's so many things that we don't want in our life that are constantly around us. Oh, yo, look, CNC Motors right there, yo. Sheesh. R.I.P. But to be around the things that you truly want to manifest just helps with the process of like visualization and you actually manifesting those things in your life. True story. I'm gonna touch some Lamborghinis today, man. Touch some Lamborghinis, meet some people, enjoy some breakfast. Shout out to Sean, because I'm a hungry girl, man. They gotta have breakfast there or whatever. But I'm currently on the freeway on my way to Glendale to the event, and I'm super excited, man. This is my first Cars and Coffee in almost a year. I spent what, about like 10 months in Arizona helping my mom out, and I didn't go to any events. I was just there, just writing songs for TV, you know, doing my little day job, and, you know, taking care of moms. But we outside with it today, cousins. And for those of you that are new to the channel, my name is Jay, aka GHG. And you like, you said green hair girl, where your green hair is coming? Put it back in when I feel like it, man. Jesus. If you aren't already subscribed, please become a cousin. Hit that subscribe button. Turn your notifications on if they aren't on. That is the only way that you will really know that I've posted. You gotta stay up to date every quarter when I decide to post a vlog. I am going to focus on the road, and I will see y'all on the next clip. Oh, snaps. I think we made it. I see a Rari. I see a Ferrari. Ooh, there's a lot of Porsches out. The Aventador. Big Venti. Porsche. Ooh, dream car right there, GT3 RS. What up, Sean? Hey! You guys haven't seen Frank in a long time. Since the flash flood. Took him to go get a car wash yesterday. SLS. We got the TRX. Shouts out to Tall Guy. Beautiful SLS. Old school Rari. New school Rari. You look like Inspector Gadget. M6 comp. Very nice. 911. Ooh. That Nardo is sick. I love this blue. Big goals. GTS. Big brakes. 288 Spider. The McLaren GT right here. Ooh, oh, this is a F8. This is a new Ferrari that came out.
Okay, Rika, go ahead.
Sick. Nice. I know you guys remember this from a previous vlog at the gas station. Ooh, this is cold. I feel like if I were to curl up, I could fit inside this wheel.
I like the green on this car.
Yeah, it's super nice. It's like a satin. Ooh, big body Rolls Royce. I could live in this. Damn, this Diablo is cold. This is crazy. This is one of my dream cars too.
This one?
Audi R8, yeah. Okay, I love the calipers. S4. This is cold. Carbon. Matte black. This is crazy. This is crazy. That exhaust is insane. Carbon fiber. That's nuts. So cousins, we are here at the all-exclusive exotic car. Ooh, okay, okay, okay. So yes, what's this car?
This is my future daddy's car.
We got a Ferrari Pista right here, undeniable, with the hood scoop going under for that good aerodynamic. 100 LT, nice. We got my boy Joe here with his McLaren 600 LT. Can you tell us about it, Joe?
Yes, so it's the LT stands for long tail. They had a production run of the 570 and 570S, and then this is like a more track-focused version. So like if you see the aero kit on it, a lot more carbon fiber. It's a lot lighter, and you got even the seats, the way the seats are set up.
Okay.
Sort of like racing bucket seats.
Right.
So probably not the most comfortable for a daily
I was
ride,
gonna say.
but it grips you like crazy as far as like a track car. And you know, about 600 horsepower, super light. Feels like a go-kart actually when you drive it.
What's the top speed?
You can do 200 in it. Yeah.
Have you ever taken it to 200 in Mexico?
No, I haven't. I've gotten close in a 720S. I have a 720S that's a little bit quicker than this.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
So what do you prefer as far as handling goes, the 720 or the 600?
This is a little bit smaller. It's more of, I guess, for a track, I would probably prefer this over the 720S.
Nice.
But as far as top speed, it feels, the 720S feels a lot faster. Less turbo lag.
Yeah.
So the turbo lag is like when you step on it, it takes a couple of seconds for the turbos to kick in.
Yeah.
Yeah. And it's, if you drive it often, it's more comfortable. The 720 is definitely way more comfortable. So right here, it's kind of big.
Nice. Carbon fiber goodies everywhere. Alcantara interior. This is nice. It's definitely like a cockpit.
Halfway in there, just all you gotta do is ask for the keys.
Go for it. So if you see, you can't really look at the seats. You can't really recline it. It's all manual.
Right.
The 720, you get to adjust the seat a little bit. This is just like slides forward and back, and it's just like true track setup, you know.
So these are one of those ass first cars. Do you mind if I sit inside?
Yeah, definitely. Speakers all, man.
Insane, cousins. We are in the McLaren 600 LT.
No, I like this one. So like, cool.
I feel like there are some blind spots. I feel like the rear is a blind spot for sure. The side mirrors look cool as far as seeing it, like from my perspective if I were driving this, but definitely not the most comfortable seats like he said, for sure. This is crazy though. Alcantara steering wheel, dryer carbon right here, very dope. Dry carbon around here, Alcantara pretty much everywhere with the orange seat belts. This is very sick. Oh my god, this front freaking lip is crazy. Carbon fiber, chef's kiss. Hey cousins, these wheels are crazy. Interesting choice in color with the rose gold and the black.
This is nice. I like this color on the inside.
Yeah, I like how it's kind of flat. It's not super like bright. Sick. Oh, this is for sale for anybody that wants to buy it for me. This is a crazy spec. So this is a Lamborghini STO. This just came out. This is nuts. Ooh, yikes. I didn't do it. This is crazy. Dry carbon on the fenders, center lock wheels. Crazy matte. I think this is a matte wrap on here. Alcantara on the steering wheel with gloss black. Yeah, this is nice. Oh yeah, that's a Urus right there. I love that color.
I saw that slime green coming. What's up, my brother? Thanks for coming, my champ.
Big Wang.
Welcome. Yeah, man. It's getting better and better, right?
This is crazy. Woo. I really like this Mercy, man. This is an older Lambo, but the Mercy, it's just something about that that's timeless. We got my boy from Blue Gold Media.
What's up, guys?
This is his Porsche. Tell us about it.
Yeah, it's the Porsche 911 GT3 RS. It's the 991.2. We have some aero work here. We have the front canards to bring down the downforce, so added that.
Sick.
And then we have the ceramic brakes with the race tires for the track, mainly just strictly track use. And we have the louvers here for the aerodynamics, and then we have the brake ducts here. And this car is a Y-Stock package, so it deletes a lot of weight, and also it has instead of the emblem on the other Porsches, this is a sticker to save weight. And yep, carbon bucket seats. Oh, I think it's my car. Miami blue paint and Miami blue interior with the Miami blue belts, carbon fiber bucket seats, Alcantara stitching.
Oh, yellow roll cage.
Pretty sweet car. The best handling.
Oh yeah.
And the best bang for your buck, because all the other cars they look good, but this one looks good and performs good.
This one outperforms a lot of the cars here.
Yeah. I have the number here, number 5.
Oh,
so you
nice.
have to have stickers on your car to go to the track.
Where do you race it at? Like,
You go to like Willow Springs or?
Willow Springs,
Oh yeah.
So yeah, all these tire marks on the car. These are rubber from cars. The rubber hits it and then makes a mark on it.
Yeah. Just before you overtake them.
Yeah, I have the clear bra, so that buffs out, when you wash it.
Nice. Got the Wraith. Fresh off the O'Gara lot.
on the inside.
Oh, it's green interior? Nice. I don't normally like chrome wheels, but these are crazy. The Diablo doors are up. Super sick. Crazy.
First time I've ever Chris. It's actually.
Yeah, basically, they like go over.
What's up, cousins? We are back. I hope you guys enjoyed all of that footage that I just got you. Sean, thank you for throwing such a dope event and inviting your girl Jay there. I had a good time. I didn't get I got all the cars, of course, but I didn't get everything because I was having some time just talking to the owners and stuff, and a lot of owners don't like to be on camera, with respect to them. So just wanted to vibe and just make some good connections and meet some really chill people that share the same passion for cars as I do. So I really hope you guys enjoyed the car footage that I got. If you like this vlog, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Stay for dinner, join the cousins, hit subscribe, turn the notifications on like I said, and I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace out.
I can't stop now, I go home, cast no